Men are made for strength, not for beauty. A handsome face may win glances, but strength commands obedience. Beauty fades with time, but power grows with discipline. The world does not remember men for how pleasing they looked, but for how much they endured, how much they conquered, how firmly they stood when others fell. A weak man, no matter how fair his features, is discarded like a broken ornament. But a strong man, even scarred and weathered, becomes a pillar others lean upon. Do not waste yourself chasing the vanity of appearance. That is a currency fit for children and courtesans. A man's worth is measured in the weight of his resolve, the sharpness of his mind, and the force of his will. The throne does not belong to the beautiful. It belongs to the strong.